I'm with Ntate Makhubedu, veteran artist, mentor, father, everything to the community of Mamelodi, of South Africa as a whole, especially in the art fraternity. Yeah, he's a living asset. I mean, I'm so blessed to just sit around him and discuss and sharing and planning ahead. What can we do in terms of art and culture more in South Africa? Uh, I want to do another follow-up video that is properly done indoors, not outdoors, and I believe it's gonna be of help to everybody. Thank you. This is Ntate Makhubedu from Mamelodi West.